Hi, my name is Prem Ishwar from 4ST1. Today I would like to do an experiment that demonstrates Boyle's Law. Boyle's Law is a gas law that states if the temperature of a gas remains constant, then its pressure and volume are inversely proportional. For this experiment, you will need a hard-boiled egg, some matches or a lighter, a strip of paper, and a glass bottle. The glass bottle's mouth must have a circumference that is lesser than the egg, so the egg just rests on top of it.
Let's carry out the experiment. First, light the piece of paper on fire using the matches or lighter. Then, drop the ignited piece of paper into the glass bottle and place the egg on the mouth of the bottle, sealing the opening. Finally, observe the phenomenon. Let's take a closer look at what happened. Before paper is dropped into the bottle, it is filled with gas molecules. For this experiment, we will be looking mainly at the oxygen molecules in the bottle. Once the ignited paper is dropped in the bottle and the opening is sealed with the egg, the air molecules get excited and move around due to the high temperature. The volume of the gas decreases as some of the oxygen molecules are used in the combustion of the fire. The molecules then push against the walls of the bottle, but since the walls don't move, the pressure increases. This is the application of Boyle's law. As the fire goes out, the air cools down, reducing in pressure. But because there are much less air molecules than we started, the pressure drops much lower than at the start of the experiment. Because the air pressure outside the bottle is much higher than the inside, the outside air exerts pressure on the egg enough to push the egg into the bottle.
In conclusion, this experiment manages to successfully prove Boyle's law, which is that a gas's volume and pressure are inversely proportional. Thank you for watching.